Stop scrolling. Let's be real. One of the biggest struggles as a content creator or entrepreneur is staying consistent on social media. It is exhausting. You have to come up with ideas, write captions, design graphics, and before you know it, days, weeks, even months go by without posting. But what if I told you that there is a game-changing shortcut that lets you create 50 social media posts in just 2 minutes without any design or writing skills? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do it, and here is the best part. Not only will you learn how to create this post effortlessly, but I'll also show you how to turn them into cash. So stick around to the end. You don't want to miss this. Whether you are a content creator, business owner, or social media manager, this method will save you hours of work and help you stay consistent online. This is AB Growth Guide, where we reveal and simplify step-by-step tutorial how to create monetizable videos using the power of AI, and also tips to grow your business and make money online. If that resonates with you, kindly like and subscribe to this channel so to be notified whenever valuable content is dropped here. Without further ado, let's dive into it. First, we need some quality content for our post. Instead of brainstorming for hours, we will use ChatGPT to generate 50 health tips instantly. Okay, so we can generate 50 ways of making money online. For this tutorial, we want to generate 50 health tips using ChatGPT. So we need to open ChatGPT and type generate 50 and engaging health tips for social media posts, and you click enter. So within seconds, ChatGPT will give you full list of health tips. You can see it now. You can see ChatGPT has given us the list 1 to 50 of health tips. Now that we have 50 health tips, let's organize them properly. So come to your browser and type googlesheets.com. You can sign in with your Google account. So open Google Sheets. You copy the tips that ChatGPT has given to us. You copy like so, and paste all the 50 health tips into the first column. You can see, so we are pasting it into the first column of the Google Sheet. So we need to rename the file as so. So we'll rename it as health tips. Okay, then we come up here and click file. So under here you see download. You click on download, then it's going to lead you to this format. We have different formats here, but we are going to be using CSV format. Because this CSV format will help us to import the text into Canva in bulk, so saving us more time. So next, we head over to Canva, open Canva and select Instagram posts template. So it's going to open like so. Then we come to design. So you're going to see different kind of design here, but we need to type to specify what we really need. So you can come up here and search for health tip Instagram post template. So it's going to come up with different kinds of design, beautiful design that you can use as your template. So you need to choose a clean, professional, and visual appealing template. So we need to choose this. This is what I want to choose for my post. So feel free to choose any of your preference. So you need to customize the colors, we customize the fonts and branding to match your style. So even this branding, I'm going to change it to @AB Growth Guide. Okay, so you can change the color like so. We want to change this color to this color. Then the lettering and all that, we need to adjust it to suit our preference. So make sure the design is easy to read and scroll stopping to grab attention. So we need to make the lettering to be visible, okay, to grab attention. So after this has been done, now here is the magic part. Instead of manually typing each tips, we will let Canvas to do the work for us. So what we want to do now is, by this side, click on app under here. So once you click on app, then you're going to see box here. Then you come down here and click bulk create. You're going to click bulk create. So once it is like this, you're going to select upload. Okay, if you want to put it manually, it will take time. So we need to click on upload CSV file. So we click on upload. Okay, we upload it and choose the file we downloaded earlier. So once it is chosen, you will see an instruction that says link the text in your design to the data from the file. So what do you want to do now? You right click, you connect the data together by right clicking, and you link the text in your design to the data by connecting the data this way. So after this has been done, you click generate. Once you click generate, so it's going to tell you, do you want to generate the remaining 49 posts? Okay, it's because we have the first tips here already. So you will see the magic in a nutshell. Then you click generate 49 posts. Canva will instantly create 50 social media posts in seconds. So let's click and see. Boom. Canva had already generated 50 posts for us instantly. You can see how cool is this. So what you want to do next is download and schedule your posts. Upload them to your social media. So you need to stay consistent, okay? So you can also add some caption to it if the tips are very short and you pick a design that warrants you to put a caption to it. Okay, so you need to go to ChatGPT. You tell ChatGPT to extend each of those tips. So you can see that it's giving us the same color. For it to be separated or differentiated, you can be changing the color each day you want to post. So you can change the color. Now today you use yellow, you can change it to blue. You need to modify it so that it will be different each day. So this is so cool. How amazing is this? So how to make money with this post? Now that you have 50 ready to go social media posts, so let's talk about the money. You can easily turn this into a money-making service. Imagine telling business owners and influencers, I can create 50 social media posts, complete with design and captions for just like $5 or $10. Trust me, people will love it. Simply promote your service on Facebook, Instagram, or even list on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Etsy. There are tons of businesses struggling with content creating, and they will gladly pay you to handle it for them. With the right promotion, you can start getting consistent sales and even build a full-time income. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and comment game changer so I know you are loving this. Need more time-saving content hacks like this? Subscribe to AB Growth Guide and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. See you in the next video. Keep creating and keep growing.